Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sindhu. Welcome to part 2 MSW Abroad series. Many MSW students specializing in community development think, will I become a licensed social worker in abroad like medical and psychiatric social workers? The answer is not that simple because community development follows completely a different career pathway in abroad. In this video, I will explain job scope, eligibility, credential evaluation, and the real process to work abroad in community development. Welcome to Learn with Dr. Sindhu. Community development abroad is mainly a macro social work and development field. Macro social work enables social workers to influence nationwide programs geared towards social justice. You don't work inside hospitals like clinical social workers. Instead, you work with communities, NGOs, government programs, and international development organizations. In countries like UK and USA, community development roles include refugee support, housing services, youth development, disability inclusion, and public welfare projects. These jobs are usually funded by governments or NGOs. To work abroad in community development, the most common qualification is an MSW with macro specialization like community development. But here is the important truth: unlike clinical social work, community development is not a strictly licensed profession in most countries. That means your eligibility is not based on a single license exam but on your degree, experience, and skills. Employers usually accept backgrounds like MSW, sociology, development studies, or public policy. But experience in NGOs or development project is extremely important. There is no separate or specific community development specialization license required to work in either the US or UK. In the US, social work licensing is governed by individual states. We'll see who needs social work license with community development specialization. The social worker title is protected one. In most states, you cannot legally call yourself as a social worker or hold a job with that exact title unless you have a general social work license like LBSW or LMSW. These social workers usually only need a basic master's level general license LMSW or a bachelor level LBSW, depending on the state's rules, who don't need social work license with community development specialization. If you work in community development under alternative titles such as community outreach coordinator, policy analyst, grant writer, or program manager, no license is required at all, even if you hold an MSW degree. Now, in the UK, the system is strictly centralized around the legal protection of the professional title. Social worker is a protected title. By law, you must be registered with the appropriate national regulatory body to practice using the title social worker. In England, Social Work England is the regulatory body. In Scotland, Scottish Social Services Council is the regulatory body. In Wales, Social Care Wales is the regulatory. In Northern Ireland, Social Care Council is the regulatory body. These boards register you simply as a social worker. They do not issue distinct license for community development like medical social worker or clinical child specialist. In the UK, community development is often treated as an entirely separate profession from social work. If your job title is community development worker, community engagement officer, or neighborhood coordinator, you do not need to be registered with Social Work England or any other social work board. Only social work title need license. Any other title, if you are working with the community development specialization, you don't need any license in UK and US. Your pathway look like this. First, complete MSW with community development specialization. Second, gain field experience in NGOs, community projects, or development programs. Third, improve English communication, and prepare for IELTS if required for visa or migration. Fourth, apply for international roles in NGOs, government-funded programs, or development organizations. Finally, secure a job offer and apply for work visa or skill migration pathways depending on the country. Community development is truly a global field, and it gives you the opportunity to work on real social change across communities, NGOs, and international development programs. But unlike clinical social work, it is not a license-driven profession. There is no single exam or registration system that defines your entry into this field. Instead, your growth and success depends on how much real-world experience you build, how strong your communication skills are, and how deeply you are involved in community projects and social impact work. So, if you focus on practical exposure, global communication skills, and hands-on project experience, community development can absolutely become a powerful international career path. Because in this field, your impact matters more than your title. IELTS or English proficiency tests are not licensing requirements for community development careers abroad. However, they are often required for visa processing, immigration approval, and in some cases, employer selection, because both fields involve strong communication skills. So, I hope this video has given you a clarity and confidence about pursuing a social work career abroad. If you know someone who is confused about licensing, eligibility, or international opportunities, please share this video with them. And we are not done yet. In the next video, we will be exploring human resource management opportunities abroad. So, the covering job scope, eligibility, real pathways to success. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video on Learn with Dr. Sindhu.